Still using decomposition to factor complex trinomials? Stop. I'll show you a faster method that can save you time on every question. So question number 1, 3x squared plus 4x minus 4. So what we do to factor this is basically we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give us negative 12, the 3 times the negative 4, and add to give us this number right in the middle, the coefficient of x, which is the 4. So now the two numbers that would do that for me are 6 and negative 2. So we come here and we write two set of brackets, and we basically stick the plus 6 with the x there and the minus 2 with the x in there. It doesn't stop here though, and the reason is because we have a leading coefficient with the x squared, that's 3. This 3 now we have to bring it down and divide this 6 by the 3 and the negative 2 by the 3. And the final answer would be x plus 2, because 6 divided by 3 is 2. But here you cannot divide 2 by 3, so what you do, just take that x right, that 3, sorry, and stick it right by the x there. So it becomes 3x minus 2. Close the bracket. And this is the answer to the first question. So here's the second example. 5x squared minus 12x plus 4. So again, we multiply the 5 and the 4. 5 times positive 4, so that multiplies to give me 20. And it adds to give me that middle number right by the x there, which is negative 12. The two numbers, you could think about this, but the two numbers are basically negative 10 and negative 2, because negative 2 times negative 10 give me positive 20, and negative 2 plus negative 10 will give me negative 12. Again, we put two set of brackets with an x here, and that's minus 10 and x minus 2 there. So once we write this, again, it doesn't stop there, because we have a 5 right in front of the x squared, so that 5 now has to come down, and we divide this 10 by 5 and this 2 by 5, which gives me x minus 2 for the first one, because 10 divided by 5 is 2. However, this doesn't divide, so we stick the 5 in front of the x, minus 2, and that's the final answer for that question. Now it's your turn. Try question number 3 on your own. 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. Pause the video and see if you can factor it using this faster method. Once you're done, check your answer by foiling your two binomials. If your result comes back to 6x squared plus 11x minus 10, you nailed it. If you enjoyed this shortcut, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more math tricks that make algebra easier. Thanks for watching. See you next time.